Okay, so we brought this home from the store.
What? It's a lobster? Is it alive?
Yes, they're alive.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? Look. I'm not doing anything. They're actually. I'm scared to.
How many is there?
Oh my gosh.
Well, that one's got, that little clipper doesn't have a, if you hold them up like this, there's one little
I'll
guy.
just break that.
Look at the other one, Dayton.
This guy's upside down. Oh, second, these guys are upside down.
I want to show you this one, even though it's bigger. It is. Why do they still have these claws?
The little claw and the big claw.
I'm gonna call this Jerry, Frank, and Bob. I don't even think about pitching me. Hey man, I already forgot the names.
Jerry.
Look at Jerry. It's pitching me!
Oh, he's got you.
This is what it looks like under.
Yeah.
Put him in the steam.
Yeah, but just drop them in slowly because I don't want it to splash you. Then get your hand out of the way.
I don't want to. Looking at the back legs, be scared.
Okay, just slide them in. Get your hand out of the way so it doesn't.
Oh, guys,
Okay, you film it and I'll put a couple more in.
look at that.
Oh.
Oh, Jerry's getting smushed. They're gonna
Now
die.
take a look at the color they are right
Can
now.
you even see them?
What color are they, Dayton?
I don't. They're like brownish, I think.
Okay. Can I go and check out the barbecue?
Oh yeah, let's go check out the barbecue. If you're wondering why theirs look different, these are ribs, the really dark ones, the dark and long ones. Those ones.
Okay.
And then those two are ribs, and then the steaks are the round ones. I am sick, but I don't have COVID.
But yeah. Okay,
We
now
got the hot bits.
now watch it because the steam's going to come up right by your face. So take it off first and let the steam come out. Let
Whoa! Guys, can you see all that steam? I think I'm blowing it to you. Wait, I think they're red.
yeah, they change color.
You want to see if you didn't?
Yeah,
No,
I'll use
if
those
you-
because these are clean. Those are,
If you don't notice that they changed color, go backwards, rewind, down, and then see that they actually did change. Oh, look at
and notice their tails all curled up too.
yeah, because I don't know. I want to cut them open.
Do you want to put your mitts on and bring this to the table?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ah! Dinner is served! Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye!